Hello guys, this is my food for tonight. This is papaya and this is what I did. I had the fortified milk and papaya with cube ice. Kain tayo, ang sarap. Yan po yung kakainin ko, merienda na at the same time is my dinner. Kain po tayo. Kailangan kainin ko na to kasi matutunaw yung yung yellow niya. Sarap. Yummy, yummy, yummy. At the same time, healthy to. Kasi hindi po pasintabis po sa mga kuwan. Hindi yung umaano yung nyo, yung digestion nyo. Better eat papaya, kangkong, and what others. Yan. Tsaka yung pelts of green and of course aloe vera gel or aloe vera nectar. Makakatulong po talaga siya. Kain po tayo. Yummy, yummy, yummy.